Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmol Software and today we will see how to add payrolls. So let's start. Just click on Payroll module, then select Payroll submodule, then just click on 4 dots and select Add Payroll. Then just add title for it. I'm just adding Test Payroll. Then select the from and to date. I'm selecting 1 January to 31st January. Total days will be calculated automatically. Working days also calculated and hours also calculated. Select the department. I'm selecting all. Pay type as also all. Employee type as all. Approved by as HR. And just save only. Your data will be saved and page will be reloaded and you will see multiple tabs over here. Just go on attendance tab. Select all employees over here and just click on these 4 dots and approve their attendance. All employees' attendance will be approved. Status will be updated. You can easily edit these entries through these actions. Then click on Payroll Calculations tab. Just click on these 4 dots and select Process Payroll. Your payroll will be processed successfully. All details of deduction, gross, net, employee contribution will be updated over here and status will be updated as processed. You can easily email and print your payroll through these actions. You can check your transactions of payroll in this transaction tab and audit logs in this audit log tabs. Just click on back. Your payroll will be created successfully and you can easily edit, view, print, delete that entries through these actions. You can also approve your payroll and mail your payroll through these actions. After processing your payroll, you need to approve that. Then we will select approve action and just select yes. Then your payroll will be approved and you can easily create JV against it. How to create auto JV from batch transaction? I have created video against it. Please check out that video to create JV against this payroll. This is how you can add your payrolls. If you get any query to add your payrolls, then please connect us at contact us@sunmolsoftware.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.